Hi, this is Donna and in this video we're going to talk about starting out my purple mort blue butterfly hap shawl. We had kits that came like this, and all the colors that you need for the shawl are already put together. So what we're going to do on this shawl is start in the center with the main color. We're going to use some of that up, and we're going to move to the outside for the contrasting colors, and then follow them in till we get back to the main color. Okay, so that's pretty simple. I just wanted to show you how the ball is set up. It's 200 grams, 100 grams of the main color and 25 grams of each of the contrasting colors, and they're knotted together with a tiny knot like this. So when we get up to the color changes, which won't be for a couple weeks in the knit along, but you don't want to just knit past that. You want to break it and do a change so you have tails to weave it. That might be pretty obvious to some of you, but I just wanted to point it out. So that's an overview of how the colors work, and you can see that in this picture of the shawl.